Hey everyone, Jamie Oliver here, and we're going to be making the most beautiful, super easy vegetable chili. It's going to be packed full of flavour, gentle spices. It's going to be so good. Really healthy, and 4 to 5 of your 5 fruit and veg a day in one dish. We're also going to be bigging up my range of Tefal pans. For this, I'm using the 24cm stew pot from my premium stainless steel range, which is perfect for the job. It's a really good size, so all the ingredients get in there, they're not crammed, and I also really love the markings in here, which give you the quantities of liquid going in, so it saves you from using measuring jugs and doing more washing up. And it's so beautiful and nice and heavy duty. So let's get cooking. Sweet potatoes, absolutely amazing. So just slice these. I'm going to go in with olive oil, seasoning of salt, pepper, and then cayenne pepper. I've got a little cinnamon here, and then some cumin, nice and savoury. And that's going to be amazing in that stew. So we're going to take 1 onion, and I want to roughly chop all the veg. Pan on, we'll go in with olive oil, the onions straight in there. Get yourself a couple of cloves of garlic, and then let's do the peppers. Let's go in with the yellow pepper. Wonderful colours, look at that. And I quite like to add a little seasoning now. A little bit of that cayenne pepper, just under a teaspoon. A little pinch of cinnamon there, and the cumin. And as that toasts with veggies, it smells absolutely fantastic. And what's really important, I believe, when you're caramelising, you don't want to have hot spots in pans. So having that thick bottom, which is essential in this pan, you know, it gives you really even heat distribution, which is perfect for cooking. Next, we're going to go in with some coriander stalks. Just finely slice them, or roughly chop them if you want. So in they go. I'm going to go in with a couple of chilies there. I'm just going to finely slice it. I'm going to leave the pips in because I want a little bit more heat. Next up, we're going to go in with a classic kidney beans. Really good for you. 2 tins. Stir that through. 2 tins of plum tomatoes. And I'll top these up with water. You're going to now simmer that for like 25-30 minutes. So after half an hour, the vegetable chili is cooked down beautifully. You can see it's concentrated, that it's reduced by 1/3. Let's now get those gorgeous sweet potatoes out of the oven. And you've got that stew, but by then stirring the lovely dry roasted sweet potatoes in, it's going to be texturally really nice. So I want to get some nice coriander now. Just chop that up and stir that in to your stew. Look at those colours, absolutely amazing. And I love taking your nice little pot like this to the table. I'm going to serve that with some beautiful rice. Look at that, guys. I'll finish that with a nice little lob of yogurt, a few little bits of coriander, maybe a few little bits of chili, and happy days, full of excitement. And with the avocado, that is 5 of your fruit and veg in one meal. There you go, guys. That is my fantastic veggie chili. You're going to love it. Please give it a go. And of course, made in my Jamie Oliver by Tefal range.